Hi everyone, today's topic actual yields, theoretical yields and percentage yield. See, this topic is in chemical process calculation. Percentage yield equal to actual yield by theoretical yield into hundreds. What is actual yield? For a chemical reaction, the amount of products obtained experimentally, that is called actual yield. It is the amount of product obtained experimentally. What is theoretical yield? It is the amount of product expected theoretically. This is an experimental value. This is a theoretical value. This is the actual difference between these two. Actual yield, experimental value, theoretical yield, theoretical value or calculated value. For understanding this, we will do one problem, then we can easily understand this concept. The problem: 12 moles of X and 20 moles of Y reacted to form 2 moles of X3Y4. Chemical reaction they given, X plus Y gives X3Y4. Find actual yield of X3Y4, that is products. 2. Theoretical yield of products. 3. Percentage yield of products X3Y4. See, first question, actual yield. What is actual yield? Experimentally obtained value. From the question, 12 moles of X and 20 moles of Y reacted to form 2 moles of X3Y4. These 2 moles, this is experimentally obtained value. This is actual yield. Actual yield. Okay. So, we will do one this detail. Actual yield in short form, actual yield AY equal to 2 moles. So, next, theoretical yield of X3Y4. Theoretical yield means short form TY. See, for finding this theoretical yield, the first step is to find the limiting reactant of this reaction, because limiting reactant will decide the amount of products getting theoretically, that is a calculated value. So, the first step is to find the limiting reactants. Okay. Then first we have to write the equation. X plus Y gives X3Y4. Balance the equation, because 3x is there, 4y is here. 3x plus 4y gives X3Y4. Limiting reactants, first reactants, X is a reactant, Y is also reactant. Number of moles of reactants, Na. Number of moles of reactants from the question they given, that is 12 moles of X, 20 moles of Y. So, 12 moles of X, 20 moles of Y. Stoichiometric coefficients. Next, stoichiometric coefficients. For finding this limiting reactants, my previous lecture video is that you can check that also. The detailed about there is a detail about this limiting reactant and all. Stoichiometric coefficients, 3x plus 4y. 3 is the stoichiometric coefficient of X, 4 is the stoichiometric coefficient of Y. Then 3, 4. N by S ratio. Next is N by S ratio. For X, 12 by 3. 12 by 3. That's equal to 4. For Y, 20 by 4, that's equal to 5. The least value is 4. So, the limiting reactant is X. X is the limiting reactant. Which one have the least N by S ratio? That is the limiting reactant. So, X is a limiting reactant. Okay. Next step is to find the theoretical value of X3Y4. For that, we have to equate this N by S ratio. First the product part. Then product is X3Y4. Number of moles of X3Y4 experimentally obtained, that is 2 moles. But theoretically we don't know. We don't know about theoretically. Then stoichiometric coefficient from this equation, stoichiometric coefficient is 1. 1 is the stoichiometric coefficient. So what is this N by S ratio? N X3Y4 divided by 1. So equates the N by S ratio of limiting reactants and this product. So 12 by 3 equal to N X3Y4 by 1. Then X3Y4 is number of moles of X3Y4 theoretically, that's equal to 4 moles. 4 moles. So this is theoretical yield, that is NX4, that is actual yield. Actual yield is 2 moles. Theoretical yield is 4 moles. Theoretical yield, just check once more. Theoretical yield, that is 12 by 3, then cross multiplication, then we will get a Nx3Y4, that is equal to 4 moles. What is the percentage yield? From the question, next one is theoretical yield we got, that is this is 2 mole, this is 4 mole. Then what is percentage yield? Equation of percentage yield is actual yield by theoretical yield into hundreds. That is percentage yield, or you can write percentage yield equal to actual yield 2 by theoretical yield 4 into 100. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 100, that is equal to 50%. 50% is the percentage yield. Okay, actual yield, theoretical yield, percentage yield. Okay, thank you.